everyone, and welcome to Garden to Kitchen. Yes, this is garlic. If you remember, I planted this garlic in my previous video on November the 30th last year before the ground froze over. And of course it sat there all winter, and spring arrived and it started to poke its nose out of the straw and started to grow. We had some really warm weather April the 1st, those 2 weeks, and the garlic started to grow. It was unbelievable that it was growing so fast. And here we have it, May the 25th. Not ready just yet, but it will be shortly. I have in front of me on my left here these really big ones that are almost 2 feet tall. This is a music variety, and in the back I have some red Russian, which are a little shorter, so a little stronger, a little milder, but both are great garlic to have in the kitchen. And I expect this garlic to be ready around July the 30th. Hopefully it'll be ready by then, and I'll be able to show you the harvest as we pull it out of the ground, and we'll be able to look at it and bring it into the kitchen and start using it right away. So hi there, and welcome back. It's time to harvest the garlic. Look at the garlic. It's beautiful. It's starting to turn brown, which is an indication that it's ready for harvest. But before we pull one out of the ground so I can show you, I want to talk about the scapes that are formed on these hardneck garlic plants. Now, the scape is really a flower that grows from the top. It's a curly flower that is circular, and when it's completed its full circle as it's growing, then it's time to cut it off. And we do that in the summer before we harvest this garlic. And the reason for that is we want all the energy to go into the bulb and not into the flower or the scape. Now, of course, scapes can be used for salads, for pastas, and all those fancy restaurants that you go to, you can see scapes perhaps in your salads. So at home you can do it yourself and have beautiful salads with scapes, or you can even pickle them as well. Now, I want to tell you a bit about the garlic bulbs that you can buy for your particular zone. As you know, these are hardneck varieties. They're ideal for cold weather, but there's also another variety called Softneck, and with the Softneck variety, it's ideal for warmer climates, and it doesn't produce any scapes. So that's ideal for mass production, and it's not so labor intensive that you need to cut off all the scapes to make the bulbs grow larger. However, Softneck variety is a little bit less flavorful. The bulbs are smaller, and the storage is about 9 to 12 months. And it has very soft stems that you often see braided in the marketplace, so they look really nice in your kitchen. Now, the hardneck garlic that we have growing here, it's really ideal for cold climates. As you know, we planted this garlic November the 30th last year before the frost came. So it's ideal for winter cold climates. It develops that scape that needs to be trimmed off before the harvest. And when it has made a complete curl, that is, then you trim it off. And of course, it's more flavorful than the soft neck garlic, and the bulbs are larger, and it stores for about 4 to 6 months. Now is the time to pull the garlic out so you can take a look at it, because I know that this is a project that you can do. So let's pull this one right here. This is a music variety. Wow. Just take a look at that bulb. It is a beauty, definitely. And I hope you can see it from that distance. It is fully grown, and it is in perfect condition. So I'm planning on having lots of garlic. You notice I didn't brush the soil off because I want to dry them outside. You need to dry these as is in a shady, out of the sun out of the rain situation and allow them to dry for a couple of weeks. And then you can trim it up a bit and look really nice, and the outer shell will gently peel off. So this is something you can do. This is a project you can do if you start this fall and plant your garlic. So thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, I just want to give a shout out to a good friend of mine. His name is Mel. He taught me everything I know about garlic. So I thank him very much, and I thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the garden. Bye-bye.